Hi guys. So thank you Ankur for nominating me. And yeah, the lockdown haircut, that's everywhere, trending. So I thought of few things to be done. So let's see how the video goes. No. You guessed it totally wrong. So I'm holding your guitar because my dad has a bunch of musical instruments. He's a huge fan of them. He just loves to play them, loves to experiment. So all because of that, we have few instruments in home. And in this lockdown time, I thought of giving it a try. And yeah, I still can't play the guitar. No. Let's try something else. Nothing more than this, but he can play the Sholay tune very well. And yeah, not even this instrument is something what I like. So let's switch it again. Okay, so then we have a flute, and this is also something which is favorite of my dad. He's been playing this a lot, and let's give it a shot. Is what I thought. And yeah, so this is just a 3-day old thing. Yeah, this is a saxophone my dad just recently got, and let's try this thing as well. Is something what I am saying. I'm so sorry, I have tried this so many angles, but my height is just getting hard. Yeah, so other than just trying out these new things, something what I really love is photography and videography. I love to capture moments, and yeah, so I have captured so many of them, and I am a bikeaholic. I am just constantly going out every weekend, and this lockdown is being tremendous impact on myself. So I usually, even while working, while sleeping, get some flashback dreams and all of the stuff. So I thought of doing something that can just give you an idea of both what I do really and what I really do like. So here I present you the lockdown flashback dream. Coming up next.
किती गेम खेळायचा, खरंच बाहेर जाता यायला पाहिजे जुन्या वेळेसारखं.